Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. All right, in this particular video we are going to be discussing the Swing ZZ Zigzag Indicator. All right, quite an interesting name, isn't it? The Swing ZZ Zigzag Indicator. All right, now this is a custom indicator, meaning that you would have to download it from an external source, after which you will then have to upload the indicator file to your MetaTrader indicators library. Okay, after that you can then be able to use the indicator on your chart. So I'm just going to be loading the indicator to the chart right away because I have already downloaded it and added it to my indicators library. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. Can we see this light blue line in the zigzag manner? Okay, so this indicator is actually a nice tool for those who want to simplify their market analysis and focus on trends. Okay, yeah, this is an indicator that can be an additional benefit for you if you are using a trend following strategy. Okay, with its top-down trading approach, this indicator helps you to connect trends across higher and lower time frames. You can be able to improve your strategy by doing multi-time frame analysis, top-down approach specific. All right. Now, considering the fact that this indicator identifies impulsive and corrective moves, because when the high point of in a bullish trend, for example, when the high point of the impulsive move has been reached, the indicator identifies the corrective move by moving in the direction of that corrective move. So we can see that this is a bullish trend, right? This is a bullish trend. For the fact that this is a bullish trend, it means the impulse moves are the ones that are going upwards. So this is an impulse move, this is an impulse move, this is an impulse move, right? While the corrective moves are the one going against the trend. Okay, so once the tip of the impulse move has been identified, the indicator goes against the trend as it follows the candlestick. So you will be able to know that a correction is ongoing. All right, now I'm going to recommend using this indicator alongside trend lines, and for additional confirmation you can use moving averages, or you can use any other indicator of your choice actually, just to confirm the signals. Okay, so when you are using this indicator, I will recommend trading in the direction of the trend. So after the corrective move has been identified or has been completed, when the new impulse move begins to form, you can ride the impulse move till the end. Okay, so if you enter a buy trade after getting a confirmation, when this impulse move began, you can enter a buy after this bullish engulfing pattern formed right after this doji, and then you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and for your take profit you can just wait for the corrective move to start forming. Right, when the corrective move forms, you can then exit, or when it starts forming, you can then exit your buy trade. All right, on the other hand, you can decide to wait for the price to break below the trend line, and you use that to exit your buy trade. Okay, because it could potentially indicate a reversal. Now, in the case of a sell, the opposite is just, the reverse is just the case. You look for impulse moves in the sell direction, and then you can exit when you have a corrective move, or when you have a breakout from a notable resistance. Okay, and note that you can also use other indicators, to confirm your entries and exits. All right, in addition to trend lines and horizontal support and resistance levels. Okay, so these horizontal support and resistance levels are really important levels on the chart, because they can give you a heads up, as to potential points where the price of the asset could reverse. All right. Now, in terms of risk management, when using this indicator, note that this indicator helps identify impulse and corrective moves, but it doesn't mean that it guarantees profit. It doesn't mean that it's always accurate. Okay, there are cases where you get a false signal, all right, because no indicator is 100% accurate. All right. Now, make sure that you always use good risk management so that even in situations whereby you encounter a loss, your losses will always be smaller than your profit. So if you are using a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, for example, meaning that you will be risking $1 to make potentially $2 or more. All right. And then make sure that in every trade, you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance. Make sure you don't risk more than 2% of your account balance in one trade. All right. It's very important so that even if you have equal number of wins and losses, you're still going to be on the winning side. Okay. Now, like I said, you can confirm your signals using other indicators. For example, you can use the moving average for your confirmations. Okay. So as we have identified this as a bullish trend, when the indicator, when the Swing ZZ Zigzag Indicator shows us that a corrective move is over, it means that the bullish continuation is about to happen because this is a bullish trend, right? In the case of a sell trend, it's going to be a sell continuation. So the moving average has given us a confirmation around here that this bullish move is actually about to continue. Okay, so that can give us an extra layer of confidence. All right, that's the importance of having confirmations. You know, you get an extra layer of confidence and you have a higher chance of, you know, that signal playing out as expected. Okay, so we would have considered entering a buy after we got that confirmation, and then we could have considered exiting, setting stop loss below the swing low. And then for the take profit, we can consider using resistance levels, or we can wait for the corrective move to begin to form. We can wait for price to just drop below the moving average, which is going to signal a sell move. In that case, we can exit our buy trade when we got a sell signal. Okay, so basically that is it for this video. The Swing ZZ Zigzag Indicator is an indicator that can be an additional benefit to you if you like trend following strategies. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.